Hi everyone!
Hi everyone!
Good afternoon, boys and girls. My name is Miss Daisy from Fairchild Junior Academy, and today I have my two assistants with me. What is your name?
Hello, my name is Demi.
And
Hello everyone, my name is Zai.
alright, so today, boys and girls, Miss Daisy, Demi, and Zyke will show you how to make edible Play-Doh at home. So this way, you don't have to go to any shops to buy Play-Doh. All you have to do is get the ingredients and you can make it at home. Alright, so first, we are gonna tell you why Demi and Zyke likes playing with Play-Doh. Why do you love playing with Play-Doh?
Because you can make anything, even My Little Pony is my favorite.
My Little Pony. You make My Little Pony with Play-Doh. What color do you use? Purple and?
Yeah.
Oh, just like this one? This character? So, like Demi said, when you play with Play-Doh, you can make anything. What about Sai? Why do you like playing with
It's
Play-Doh?
fun to play with my other toys.
Oh, you mix your other toys with Play-Doh. Oh, so you can shape it into anything. So, as we know, Play-Doh is an open-ended material that enhances the children's imagination and creativity, and it's safe to play with, especially if it's made at home. So, what are you doing? We will introduce our ingredients first before we proceed. All right. So, Demi, what do we need when making Play-Doh?
We need some plain flour and some table salt.
Yes, so I suggest for you to use plain flour because if you use rice flour or self-raising flour, the texture will be different. So to get the consistency that we need to use plain flour and table salt, not rock salt. It will be very hard and it will be very rocky if we use rock salt. What else do we need, Sai?
We need some oil, water, and some food coloring.
Yes, so we need oil, any type of oil will do, and water, and of course, food coloring is optional. You can make a colorless Play-Doh. Where did they go? Or you can make Play-Doh with a color that you like. All right, before we begin, I'll also show you the tools that we're gonna need. So we need a bowl, a mixing bowl. It doesn't have to be a really big bowl. And then we need a spoon, a tablespoon, and a teaspoon.
It's so small.
It's so small, right? See? So tablespoon and teaspoon. And we also need a cup. So like I said, we don't need a baking cup. It doesn't have to be baking cup as long as you use just one cup. Yeah. And before I start, I would like to say hi to whoever's watching today. Oh, hi, Colette. Hi, Colette. And Miss Joanne. Hi, Miss Joanne. Hi, Mr. Russell. And Ava. Hi, Ava. How are you all doing? I hope you guys are staying safe. So, shall we begin? All right, let's start with. Oh, let me check. Are you guys ready? If you're ready. Oh, hi, Miss Winnie. Hi, Carly. All right, so don't forget that after the live streaming, you can replay this video. And anytime you want to make Play-Doh with the kids, you can just play this video and we can make it all over again. All right, so let's start with our flour. So we will need 1 cup of flour. Okay, and Demi is going to help me fill up our cup. Whoop. There's some. All right. So, Demi, would you like to fill up our cup?
Thank you for giving me the spoon.
You're welcome.
1 table cup spoon. 2 table cup spoon.
Tablespoon.
4 cup spoon.
It's not table cup spoon.
I want
Tablespoon.
table cup.
You want table cup? She said 1 table cup spoon. That's new. All right. Oh, it's okay.
1 table cup spoon.
You can clean it.
How many more spoons?
Well, we have to fill this up, this whole cup.
Why don't we just pour the whole thing?
You can do it? You can
I
try.
don't want.
Do you want me to do it?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. So as you can see, the children practice different skills when they're doing it, so it's good to do it with them. All right, I think we need a little bit more.
Okay.
You can't be seen. All right, just a little bit more.
A little bit. A little bit.
Well, we have to fill it up. It has to be full. Okay. Ooh, okay. That looks all right. So let's pour it.
Don't use your hands.
It's okay. We can use our hands.
Sticky hands.
All right. So now we're gonna put it in our bowl.
Ooh, why don't we just do that?
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
All right, and then we're going to need 5 tablespoons of salt. All right. So Demi, maybe Kuya can help me this time. Kuya, I will pour the salt on your tablespoon, and you can.
Ooh. I want to taste the salt.
Okay.
Can I taste the salt?
Oh, sorry. Teaspoon. 5 teaspoons. So that's 2 teaspoons already. So 1 tablespoon is 2 teaspoons. So we only need 3 more. Sorry about that.
Can
So
I taste
3.
the salt?
You can. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you put it?
Yummy.
Is it? Okay. That's 3. 3, and then
Can we use this kind of salt when we make eggs?
4. Yes, I think we can. And 5. All right. And now, as you can see, we have the flour and the salt.
I can't see it.
All we have to do is mix it
Can't see
and make sure that it's well distributed on your bowl. Okay. So I usually tell the kids, when we are mixing, we are making a shape, right? So we can make a circle together, right? Let's do that. Make a circle round and round, round and round, round and round. Make a circle round and round, round and round.
Can we go wash our hands?
Put it in. You can wash your hands later when we're done.
Yeah.
All right, and then what I usually do is put the oil next.
Oh, yeah.
Another option is putting cream of tartar, but in Hong Kong, it's a very rare ingredient to find, so we don't have it today. All right, so we're going to need, Demi, would you like to help me?
Okay.
2 tablespoons of oil. Okay, 1. 1 and 2. 2.
Looks like
Okay.
pancake.
It does look like pancake, right? The batter, the pancake batter. And then mix it a little bit. All right, now we're gonna put this aside, and we're going to mix our food coloring with the water.
Yummy.
So we will need, just to recap, we put 1 cup of flour, 1 cup, 5 teaspoons of salt, and 2 tablespoons of oil. And now we're gonna need 1/3 cup of
Water.
water. All right.
Boing, 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 boing.
Oops. Sorry about that.
Boing, 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 boing,
Okay. All right. 1/3 cup of water. I think that's too much. And then we're gonna add our food coloring. So today I have red, blue, and green. What should
Can
we
we
make?
actually mix
Dark
all
green.
of it together?
Mix all of it together? All right, let's mix all of it together and see what color we make.
I hope you make
Creative. Creative? Who's creative?
Me. Me too.
All right.
I'm
So we put green first, and let's see what happens to the water.
It looks like Hulk's skin.
Hulk?
Yeah.
All right, and now we're gonna add some blue.
Oh, I can't see it.
It becomes
Dark
darker,
green.
right? Okay. And
Oh.
then
And
hang on a
when you look
second.
at the top, it looks like black. Ooh,
It looks
so
like that.
pretty.
And then we're gonna mix some red in it.
Actually, red looks like blood. Ooh.
Alright.
It still turns like green.
I know, right? Let's
What
see.
is happening
what-
to the greenation?
Let's see what color we
Looks like
made.
black.
So after you mix that, you can just stir it a little bit. Make
With
sure
the table cups? I don't know if that's a
table cup spoon.
I don't know if it's...
All right, and then we're gonna put our water.
Ooh.
Oh, what color did we make?
We make dark, super dark green. Blackish green.
Blackish
Yeah.
greens, I said. It looks like blackish green. All right, let's mix it.
So
Oh, I've
dark.
never made this color before. It's kind of nice. Okay, so all we have to do is mix, mix, mix. Make a circle round and round, round and round, round and round. Make a circle round and round, round and round. All right, I think it's okay if you check the texture. It's still a little bit floury, but once we knead it, it will be different. So usually I put oil on my hand so the dough doesn't stick.
Make sure you take out the ring. Yeah, I don't want oil on my hand.
It's okay. All right, and then I'm gonna take this out,
I'm gonna also do
and
it
you
on
can dive in.
Let me put it in your finger.
Try. Let me show you.
Can I?
Can you lower the camera, baby? Baby, can you lower the camera a little bit? Okay, thank you. So wait. Not too many hands. So that's what
many
usually
hands
happens. You can scrape off
The
the
side.
remaining flour on your bowl.
Wait.
Oh, careful. Okay.
Make a circle round and round.
Yes, here you go.
Mix it with your handy.
And if you think it's too dry, you can add a little bit of water.
Yeah.
But I think it's still okay for me.
Can I make more because there's so many?
I know. Oh, I'm liking this color.
I think that's our newest favorite color.
Is it?
Okay.
Okay.
It's still
Please
dark
wait.
green.
Please wait.
Still dark green.
All right. So I think I'm just gonna add a little bit of water here to make it more
Flowery.
and so I can add all the other flour on the bowl.
Look at your video.
Okay. All right. So as you can see, the bowl is almost empty now. It's cleared out. And I have all of it here. So it's fine, baby. It's fine, baby. It's okay. So I'm just going to, Demi, please wait. Knead it a little bit more so we can achieve the right texture and the color. So what you can do is push it. Push, 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 push. Push, 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 push.
This is more like a kid's video.
All right. Ooh, I'm really liking the color that we made, guys.
Very creative, Demi.
Oh, yes. Thank you, Miss Winnie. So we're actually doing it on our glass tables. So if you're at home and for toddlers, make sure that you do it on a surface that is safe. So that's wood or on a tray. Don't do it on a glass table. Thank you, Miss Winnie. Gentle hands, children. So here we go. All right, so I think after a few minutes of kneading the dough, I think it's ready. Oh, did you need that? Let me just get back to our friends. Sorry.
That is so cool.
All right, so as you can see, our Play-Doh is ready. I'm gonna give some to Zyke. You can shape it up, and some to Demi. So once you have achieved the texture that you like, it means that you're ready. And if you don't have tools at home, you can use kitchen utensils. You can use different things to play with your Play-Doh. And ultimately, the children loves using their hands. So, oh yeah, Miss Winnie have observed that the Play-Doh color is matching with Demi's shorts.
I have the Play-Doh.
So we mixed green, blue, and red, and this is what we got. So there you have it, boys and girls. That's how we make edible Play-Doh. But remember, just because it's edible, it doesn't mean that we're gonna eat it. Okay?
Can I eat a little?
No. It only means that if the babies put it in their mouths, it's perfectly safe, but it doesn't mean that we're going to eat it for snack or for lunch. So, but Miss Daisy will have a baking session tomorrow as well. So you can watch out for that one too. But I'm going to leave you at the moment. But don't forget to stay tuned at 2 p.m. for Miss Joanne's storytelling session, okay? And don't forget to subscribe to Miss Daisy's channel and like the video. And as you know, you can share it and you can rewatch it whenever you want to make Play-Doh. But always remember to be careful, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time. Bye!
Fairchild Junior Academy, our amazing Teen House campus, offers a spacious and welcoming learning environment for our youngest learners, children starting from 6 months up to age 4 years. Our facilities there include a tree house, a discovery loft, a vertical garden, terrarium. It's an ideal place for young children to play and learn. If you plan for your child to attend a place where they're happy coming to school, we encourage your child to start their learning journey with us from a playgroup class to help prepare them for their preschool journey ahead. We hope you will consider Fairchild and our unique learning environment for your child. Children are excited and happy when they come to school. This sets the scene for enjoyable, real learning experiences that really support the children's healthy growth and development. Come and visit us for a trial class or join us for a future open house.
I like Fairchild. I like Fairchild.